Good morning, dear students and friends. Welcome back to the Prithviraj English Academy. In this today's video, we are going to discuss about Karnataka State Boards, 10th standard, chapter number 27. It's a second semester textbook. It is in that geography part we are going to discuss today. In that chapter number 27, India transport and communication means India's transport and communication we are going to discuss in this video. Without a delay, we'll come to know about in this video meaning and importance of the transport in India, types of road transport, important national highways, problems of road transport, and we'll know about the railways, air transport, and waterways. We'll come to know about mass communication. We'll come to know about the types of the communication, importance of the communication, and then we'll come to know about geographical information system, GPS, and the remote sensing technology. Yes. Now move to the transport means in this chapter we have the two concepts. One is transport and one more is communication. So first we will come to know about the transport. Meaning movement of goods, services, information and materials from one place to another place is called the transport. Understanding my point? I hope you understood the meaning of the transport. Meaning transport means what? Movement of goods, either service, information or materials from one place to another place is called the transport. Understanding my point? And it helps to carry goods from one place to another place. Yeah, from the place of production to the place of demand. Means from the transport will going to help to the producer to supply their goods to the doorsteps of the customers. Means it is means it is place from place of the production to place of demand means like that it is. Yes, ensures the goods and services reach places where they are required means it will going to transport will going to make sure that the goods and services they will going to reach where they exactly they are required through the transport. Here this picture is going to tell you about the transport, how the goods they are going to carrying from one place to another place, right, in a different types, right. Now come to the importance of transport, yeah, role of transport in economic development. Both are same. It is agriculture and industry are supported by the transport. Without a transport, it is difficult to existence of agriculture and the industry, and it will going to act like the transport is going to act like a nerve system of the nation. Okay, it will going to connect agriculture, industry, mining, forestry, fishery, and dairy farming the markets through the transport only you can means these agriculture, industry, mining and remaining all the things will going to connect to the market and essential for fast and balanced economic development. Road means transport is very essential for the fast and balanced economic development. Here it is. Here how the market is connecting with these all the activities. Okay, how the agriculture and industries they are going to connect because agriculture will going to raw material. Agriculture will going to produce the raw material for the industries, and some industries are going to produce the tools and equipment for the agriculture. Those will going to transport through the transportation. Okay, it will going to connect agriculture, industrial, and development also, right? And is essential for the balanced and fast development of the country. Okay. Now come to the types of the transport. There were four types are there here. This picture is going to explain you. Okay. First is road transport, railway transport, water transport, and air transport. Four types are there. So one by one we will come to know now about road transport first. Roads are there. Yeah, they are present from the ancient times of the our kings, and kings were going to constructed the roads. Here it is. Huh? They time only the roads were there, right? Yes, during the British time, the roads were going to constructed only purpose of what defense. Okay. The next thing is that India is a country, it is a, here it is villages are there, right? And to connect them, roads will going to play the very vital role in the rural development. Okay, I hope you are understanding, right? Next thing is about road transport. Now come to the road transport's importance. First you came to know about the introduction. Now come to the, sorry, it is importance when you are talking about. Now come to the importance of the road transport. This is what the meaning it is. It is a history. It is okay. Now come to the importance. Farmers depend on the road to take produce to the markets, and it is essential to essential commodities will going to reach to the villages through the roads. Roads are going to act as a feeders to the railways. Means railways have the connectivity with the roads, and roads will going to play the vital role to reach the goods and services to the railways. Okay, and it will going to made easy the movement of the goods within the country. Roads are the one, they are going to made the movement of goods within a country. Okay. Now come to the next types of the roads. In the roads we have the four types. National highways, they are going to connect capital cities and major cities of the states. Okay, and state highways, they are going to connect have the connectivity with district to districts. Then district roads, they are going to have the connectivity with districts, or sometimes uh, they are from taluk to district level. They have the connectivity, and villages, they have the village roads have the connectivity with the cities. Okay. Now come to the, in this, in it we are going to come to know about national highways in detail. National highways are very important roads in India. Okay, and it connects state capitals, ports, and major industries cities. And construction and the maintenance of the national highways is come under the control of the central government. And central government has given the authority to the National Highways Authority of India. And it was established in the year of 1988. And it started working by 1995. You should be remember this thing. Okay. Now come to the, this is what National Highways. Okay. When it was established and everything. Okay. Now come to the about the National Highways in detail. We are going to. Okay. For that, total length of the national highways is 1,45,240 kilometers are there. Okay, so many national highways are there. Among them, NH, yeah, National Highway 44 is the longest NH4, sorry, NH road, a national highway in our country. The length is 3,745 kilometers are there, and it will be there from Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir to Kanyakumari in the Tamil Nadu. Here the picture will going to show you. From here it will going to start NH44 and it will going to reach to the Kanyakumari. Hmm? In Srinagar, then Amritsar, Delhi, then Jhansi, Udaipur, Nagpur, Hyderabad. It has the connectivity with Bengaluru, then Salem, then it will going to end with a, what you are going to call Kanyakumari. So north to south, it will going to have the connectivity. What the road name? It is NH44. NH44. Okay. Next, second one. Next point. We have to move to the next one. Okay. Next one. It is about the world's highest road is built at the Umling Law Pass of the Ladakh. At it is the length. It is means height. It is 19,024 feet by the border roads organizations. You know that border roads organizations are going to construct the roads. Yeah, there the duty is that maintaining roads in the border areas. Okay, for the movement of the militaries, they are going to construct the roads. Okay, now come to the next. National Highway Development Project is there, means we have established, means it was going to took place in India. Through that, a project built, a project, National Highway Development Project means what? It is a project to build 4 to 6 lane roads, national highways across India. 4 to 6 lanes. Here are the lanes. The one lane it is, second lane, third lane, fourth lane, like that it is. Okay, understanding my point? So, means it is a project. How it is? Either 4 or 6 lanes national highways across the India. Okay, one of the largest infrastructure projects in the world. It is, means in the country. It is not the world, in the India. It is. So, what are the key components of this one, of the national highway projects, development projects? Golden quadrilateral highways means it length, it is 5,846 kilometers. It will going to connect Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata. Golden quadrilateral roads. Okay, it will going to connect with Delhi, right? Delhi, Mumbai, right? And then right here Delhi, then here it is Mumbai. Okay, from here to here it will going to comes Mumbai. Then Mumbai to it will going to Chennai. Here it is from Mumbai to Chennai. Then from Chennai to Kolkata. Then again Delhi. This is called the Golden Quadrilateral Roads, highways. Now come to the corridor highways. 7,300 kilometers it is. North to south corridor highways. It is from Srinagar to Kanyakumari. Yes or no? It is from Kanyakumari to Srinagar and Srinagar to Kanyakumari. Then in east we have east to west corridor from Porbandar of Gujarat to the Porbandar to Porbandar of the Gujarat. From there to it is there to the Assam, Assam, right? Silachar, in the Assam it is Silachar have the connectivity. Okay, let me show you here. It is a Porbandar here. It is going to start from here. And it will going to get over here in the Assam. It is here. Silachar. It will becomes here. Okay, Silachar will be there here. Okay, understood. Now move to the next importance of the highways. It is going to reduce the transport cost and time. Okay, and it will going to strengthen the economic growth, and it will going to enhance national unity and integration, because the people is going to have the connectivity from Porbandar to they are going to travel from Porbandar to Silachar. They have the connectivity from Srinagar to Kanyakumari. The people have the connectivity. So through this one, it is going to carry the unity, and it will going to promote the integration also of the country. Okay. Now come to the next very important point is problems of the roads. Many village and district roads become unusable during the rainy season. Here is the how they are look like. Hmm? Okay. And second thing is that many were going to causes for the environmental pollutions and vehicle topics also and accidents also, right? And roads are going to get damaged due to the rain. Here it is, maybe flood, maybe from the maybe the cyclone. It will going to get the damages, right? It's on here and here. You can go through it. Okay. Next, and integrity construction and the maintenance of the national and state highways. There is no proper construction and there is no proper maintenance also. Through that, these highways are not, means what we are going to, but there is no proper maintenance and construction. And there is no basic facilities along the major roads across the country. Here it is basic facilities like petrol, availability of the fuel, availability of the means washroom and toilets. Okay, and along with that food also. Huh? Many were not available. Now come to the next, railways, second main mode of the transportation. Okay, railways are considered the lifeline of the nation. And it is a very important mode of the land transportation. It is suitable for the carrying heavy goods and large number of passengers over long distance. And first railway line we are going to started from Mumbai to Thane, right? Mumbai to Thane of 16th April 1853. It got started. Okay. Next, here the picture is going to explain you much more. Okay. Next, Indian railways are largest in the Asia. India's railways are largest in the Asia. Hmm. Largest in the Asia, and fourth largest in the world, and largest even in South Asia also. Okay. Then, for smooth management, the railway system has divided into the 18 zones. 18 railway zones are there, right? Okay, now come to the importance of the railways. It plays a major role in India's economic development. It is ideal for the transporting heavy goods and the many passengers at the same time. It provides a low cost travel. It helps in a fast movement of the agricultural and horticultural products. Uh, Horticultural products means related to the flowers. Okay, now come to the next. Water transport. Fourth one, sorry, third one, very important. Waterways have presented in India since ancient times. Here it is the picture. Okay, in ancient time, how it look like. Okay, India has a long three-sided coastal with many ports. Here from Gujarat, from here to till the West Bengal, we have the three-side water bodies. Here you have the Arabian Sea, here you have the Indian Ocean, here you have the Bay of Bengal, and in this one you have the many ports were there. Huh? About them, important 13 we are going to study in later in this video only, but many are there. Okay. Along with that, here the major ports here only we are going to now move to the major ports here. Major ports we are going to study here. So first one is Kandla. Kandla is located in Gujarat. Kandla port is located at Gujarat, right? And especially where in a Gulf of Kutch. Okay, Gulf of Kutch. Here it is the Gulf of Kutch. Okay. Then next it is second one is Mumbai. It is there in Maharashtra and it is known as the gateway of India. It is known as the gateway of the India. Then next come to the one more in a Mumbai only, Navaseva. It is there in Maharashtra. It is built with a modern facilities to reduce pressure on the Mumbai port. Why it is reduced? Sorry, why it is constructed? To reduce the pressure on the Mumbai port. So question has asked why the Navaseva port has constructed, because to reduce the pressure on the Mumbai port. Three we came to know. Now move to the fourth one. Mamgoa is located at the mouth of the Jeri estuary in Goa. In Goa it is located, right? Okay, in Goa it is located. Okay, this is what. Okay, then move to the next. Now come to the Karnataka. New Mangaluru port. It's the most important port in the Karnataka, and we are going to call it as a gateway of Karnataka. New Mangaluru port is known as the gateway of the Karnataka, and Mumbai port is known as the gateway of India, because most of the transport, especially the foreign countries, goods and services is going to passes through the Mumbai gate, and our Karnataka's through the New Mangalore port. Then come to the Kerala. In Kerala we have the Kochi. It is located in the Kerala. Then come to the Thuthukudi, Thuthukudi in the Tamil Nadu. Thuthukudi in the Tamil Nadu. Then one more is there in the Tamil Nadu, that is Chennai port. It is oldest port in the India and has the artificial harbour here. Then come to the Visakhapatnam of Andhra Pradesh. It is a natural port in Andhra Pradesh. And Paradip is located in Orissa and it is recently developed port it is. Then come to the Kolkata port in West Bengal. It has the natural harbour and it is called it as a tea port of India, because all the tea products from the Assam it will going to transfer from the Kolkata port only. Then one more we have constructed in the Kolkata, it is Haldia port. It is a new port in the West Bengal to reduce the pressure at the Kolkata port. Okay. Now move to the airport. Air transport. It is the fastest means of the transport, essential for the rapid economic development. The Golden Quadrilateral and the corridor roads connects the major international domestic airports. Even the international roads, airports also and domestic airports also have the connectivity with the golden and the corridor roads. Okay, now come to the, this is what, okay, they have the connectivity. Okay, from here to here, then here to here, here to here. Okay, okay, now come to the, who will go to take care of this one? It is airports, yeah, Airports Authority of India, AAI. It is established in the year of 1955 by the Government of India. Headquarters located in New Delhi. It provides the basic facility for the civilian air travels. Means this is, we are going to provide the travel to the civil, means citizens. Okay, and manages 24 international airports, and 103 domestic airports in India. Airports Authority of India will going to manage the 24 international airports and the 103 domestic airports. Means domestic means within a country they are going to fly. International means from our country to other country they have the connectivity. Okay, 24 airports are there. Okay, in our India. Okay, internationally. Okay, it is here the picture. 1995 it got established. Airport Authority of India. Headquarters there in New Delhi. And civilian, it will going to provide the facility to the civilian air. Okay, and it managed 24 international airports and 103 domestic airports in India. Okay, now move to the next. Major airports. Indira Gandhi International Airport is there in New Delhi. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport is there in Mumbai. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport is there in Kolkata. Chennai International Airport is there in Chennai. Kempegowda International Airport is there in Bangalore. Mangaluru International Airport is there in Mangalore. Understand my point? So, next, move to the next one. I hope six you have completed, and then move to the seventh one. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport is there in Ahmedabad of the Gujarat. Then Lokpriya Gopinath Bardoli International Airport is there in Guwahati of the Assam. Charan Singh Chaudhary, Chaudhary Charan Singh International Airport is there in Lucknow. Lucknow means Uttar Pradesh. Rajiv Gandhi International Airport is there in Hyderabad. Manohar International Airport is there in Mop of Goa. Maharshi Valmiki International Airport is there in Ayodhya. Now move to the, by this one we have completed ours related to the transportation. Now move to the communication. Meaning is what? To convey our message from one person to another person, yeah, from one group to another group is called the communication. In this one, you will come to know about now mass communication. Reaching a large number of people at the same time is called the mass communication. With the modern electronic technology, India has the wide communication network that offers the great services here. Many ways to connect the people here. Communication. Okay, here it is mass communication. At the same time, we are reaching to the people through the various modes. Okay, then wild communications here we have. Okay, then now come to the mass communications. Huh? The examples of the mass communications are here. It is. They are going to tell you. It may be the post. It may be newspaper. It may be radio. It may be television. It may be the. It may be the newspaper. It may be the TOT. It may be the computer network. It may be internet. It may be email. It may be new means mobile phones. Okay. These are the what few examples of the mass communication. Yeah, media communication. Understanding my point. Now move to the importance of the communication. It helps the people to learn about the events happening in a different places. Okay, here it is. Okay, about the events, it will go to through the news, through the means reports. It will going to come to know people. Okay, it makes people aware about the government policies. It makes people to understand about the education for the development. Okay, then it will going to help to get to know about the trade and commerce, and it will going to promote unity, integration, and stability in India. Okay, now come to the first one, geographical information system, GIS. GIS. Okay, GIS, when it was established, and about that we will come to know about. Before that, we will come to know about the thing is that here GIS is a system that collects and stores, modifies, and displays the information about the Earth's surface. About the Earth's surface, it will going to collect the information. It will can store, it can modify, and it may be display the information. Understand my point? And for the first time, it got established in a year of 1960 in a Kerala. in a Canada in a year of 1960. Okay, it got established, and nowadays it is used widely in throughout the world. Okay, then next it is about it is going to help us to about overlapping features like districts, maybe it may be land uses, rivers, soil, uh, along with that crop distribution. About that, it is going to you can it will going to provide the information. Along with that, it is a computer based system. It is through that you can analyze any natural and cultural features also. Okay, here it is. Geographical information system, how it will going to works exactly. Okay. Now move to the uses of this. It is used to identify the location of a person. Sorry, wait. Uses of the GIS here. GIS maps are attractive and provide accurate information. It helps to analyze geographical and social and economic data and create models. And you can use early warnings about the weather, like cyclones will going to take place, floods will going to take place. We will going to come to know about that through the GIS, and it will going to help us to manage the natural resources. Maps can be created and modified quickly without the need of the cartographer. Cartographer means we are going to draw the maps. Okay. Now there is no need of them because GIS is there. And popular GIS softwares are Apple is there, Info is there, AutoCAD is there, Map Info is there, Map View also there, and etc. It is there. Now move to the second one. It is GPS, a global positioning system. It is used to identify the location of the person or object using their latitudes, longitudes, and the height. It is used. It works using information sent by the satellites and received by a GPS receiver on the Earth. Okay, here it is how it will going to works. Okay, now come to the how exactly it will going to works. More than 20 satellites were going to launch by the USA to goes around the Earth, and each satellites will going to carry the cameras. Each satellites going to carry the cameras. Okay, along with that accurate clocks and the antennas also. Satellite signals are going to be received on the Earth and analyzed to the determine exact location. GPS will going to call it as a pathfinder. Means through using this one you can easily find our path. It is important for the national security, and India has its own regional GPS system called the Navik. Means navigation with Indian constellations. Okay. Now come to the uses of the GPS. It helps to access the location of the natural calamities for the safety measures. It is useful for the trekkers for the route guidance. It is used by the soldiers, pilots, fishermen, sailors for the correct direction. It is used by the transport authorities for the vehicle movement. It is essential for the many city-based services like food delivery, e-commerce. Okay, and it provides the navigation support for to the Google Maps. Okay, now move to the here it is. The uses the means picture will going to explain you. Okay, now move to the remote sensing technology. It is a modern technology used to gather information about the earth without physical contact. Okay, data is going to collect through the aerial and satellite images. Aerial means through the air. Okay, here it is gathering information without physical contact. We are not going to have the contact with the contact to the earth. Hmm? From the satellite only we can take the pictures. Okay, and through the aerial only we can collect how many means what you are going to put, how the city is, where exactly the land means. Okay, now come to the uses. It provides the true and reliable and accurate information of the observed time, faster and cheaper compared to the other traditional geographical surveys. Data can be analyzed easily using computers. Okay, and it helps to monitor extreme calamities and changes in the geographical features, useful for the studying natural calamities like tufans, cyclones, floods, and drought, etc. It is important for the analyzing natural resources like forest, water bodies, crops, land, erosion, coasts, and residential areas, etc. This picture is going to explain you much means very easily. Through that you will get the more information. Okay. Now, I hope you understood about the transport and communication of the India medias. If you have any doubt, any suggestion, then please comment and like and subscribe this channel and share this video among your friends. Thank you so much, medias, for watching this video. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.